Yes, indeed, it is me. It's the session in this bit. I hope everybody's having a fantastic and marvelous, spectacular, abundant morning, afternoon, wherever you at in this world. Over here in California, it is about to be 10 a.m. So I want to get this video out to you before you continue out on our beautiful day. We got some stock information coming up I want to share with you. And I also want to share with you a huge tip, key on how I was able to get paid a lot of money and attract money to me. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. Before we do that, I need y'all to do me a favor. You know, I got to brag about the gang, man. Not even brag. I just got to commend this family we built, you know, and I got to commend my goddamn self. Pat myself. You did a good job. Way to go, Sesh. Because when you take a risk and you believe in something, people follow that. No one follows other motherfuckers who aren't clear and concise and just asking for handouts. I'm lost. I don't know where to go. Nobody's going to follow you. They follow the person that looks like they know where they're going. That's certain of where they're going. So with that being said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Please hit that bell because we're going up. I got to commend the Discord. You know, the family in there is just giving nothing but love, nothing but joy. And we're sharing a bunch of amazing plays inside of there. So what I'm going to be sharing with you today is how I got paid that money as well as what's in my portfolio. And we'll just go over it like we always do. So let's get it. See, on the day we are at $5,377.72. And I'm down on the day $112. Look at my face. I don't care. Don't care. So you see on the week, we're down $200. Look at my face. Don't care. Okay? Because when you look at that month, baby, you see that? Okay? So we understand we're in the long haul, and we'll address that in a moment. And so we'll scroll down and you'll see some of the option trades I have. You all are crazy about the option trades. Oh my goodness. Y'all have to relax. I'm going to end up making probably once I pass 5K patrons, I'm going to make a different separate Discord, which will take verification. You'll have to show verification that you have had success trading, that you've had success doing option trading, show your results, your winnings, things like that, just to get in the group, because the beautiful family we're in now, there's just, you know, we're over 1,000 now, so there's a couple bad apples that'll get in and just come right in that thinking about options, talking about option trading. That's just gambling. You can't even build a portfolio simply on option trading. So these are some of the options I have. SRNE at $10. I have a call placed for tomorrow. As you see, it's down, but I don't care because we still have more time left in the day and another chance and an opportunity to make some money. This ain't over. Ain't nobody dead. Ain't nobody dying. We got a chance to make money. You don't know what the future holds. APHA, that's my baby, Afria, at $12.50 rather, call. And I have PSEC, my favorite dividend. Y'all know already. That's my baby. That's my boo. You'll see PSEC, I have a $6 call. It's up. We're lit. Okay, so let's scroll down and get into the stocks I'm in. I have, you see, number one, PSEC. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I almost have 40 shares of this. This is my number one holding. Let's see. As you see, I have a dividend payout coming on the 21st. We are up. There's a beautiful total return, and this does pay out a nice dividend of 11%, almost 12%. You see NEO right here. That's my baby as well. Almost 26 shares. APXT. I'm going to keep building my position in that as well. GNOG, aka LCA, aka Golden Nugget. You see I almost have 13 shares of that, so that's a blessing. Arrowhead, we have 11.4. Tilray, 11 shares. I'm going to continue to build that out as well. For those of you who don't know and did not see the last video, make sure you click or go in the description or watch the video I put out a few days earlier talking about the cannabis stocks, the option plays we have, because Afria and Tilray are actually going to be combining and it's going to be amazing. Afria is actually partially owned or works with Altria, and Altria owns Marlboro cigarettes, Virginia Slims. They're big in the cancer smoker area, so they have all the networks and the avenues to get them in the markets, and they have affiliation with some CBD companies as well, so it's going to be lit. CSWC, you see that's almost at 11 shares, so that's a blessing, another dividend stock. Macy's is up on the day. I have almost 10 shares. You see that's also a dividend stock. CSBE is back to normal, back going up. I almost have 7.5 shares. I will be increasing my position in this, needless to say. I will be increasing my position in all of these things, but 25 to 50 shares. Get them up, 25 each. Get the next one up, 50 shares each. It's all, it's all in due time. But as you see, we are making some substantial progress. Fuel Cell, we have 7 shares. That is up on the day. Plug, 4 shares of that. I'm going to be increasing that. Jumia, 45.38. I have 3 shares of it. Blink, Kronos, DXC. That's a pretty good one. I'm going to also be increasing. I'm going to increase my position. Did I say that? I'm going to increase my position in all these. SPHD, another good dividend stock. We are also, remember, we're looking into PEY. So next week, I'm going to be doing another video on dividend stocks, just to update it and rejuvenate it and tell you about my favorites and ones that are really moving or have come on the scene. And I'm going to tell you about the importance of dividend investing and the importance of having dividend stocks in your portfolio. I have CNST, 2.2 shares, Plantair, 2 shares, Main, 1 share, NK, 1 share, and the rest are just cheap stocks that I've gotten from the blessings of you all signing up under my code. So as you see, down to $100 right now. That is not what it's going to be in 10 minutes. That's not what it's going to be tomorrow. We don't know. So 5,300, that is what the portfolio is at. And now it's time for me to tell you how to get paid and how to get money. What I did and how my blessings and payments started coming. How my blessings started coming was I thought about what I want. I thought about the long-term destination. So for example, I'm going to be a millionaire this year. That's my belief. That is something I decided. So for my circumstance, I'm going to be a millionaire this year, meaning that's what I see. I see the end destination. I'm looking at the end. So if I'm in a basketball game, right, and I get fouled or something happens during the game, I'm not tripping off of that because it's a part of the game. Because my end vision is the win. So the win for me would be a millionaire this year. So that's all I see. Any hiccup or thing that happens along the year, that's just part of the game, baby. A foul is a foul. We're not tripping off of that. I'm going to go to the line, hit my 2, and then I'm back. If you're going to keep trying to throw fouls at me, I'm going to make you pay. I'm going to hit the and 1. So it's all just a part of the game. It's never a point to mentally frustrate yourself and get into a state where you're actually decreasing your vibration. And now you're attracting more lower vibration and lower frequency things into your life. So what I did was think differently. With that being said, a lot of you are coming in thinking you're going to come in and every day is going to be green. Every day is going to be green. You're going to come in and win. And if you don't win, I'm blessed to have over 1,000 people in this Discord. And there's plenty of amazing souls. Everybody in there is dope as hell. But there's always going to be a few bad apples, whether it be 5 or 10. They're going to come in only asking about option trades. 30 of them coming in only asking about option trades. Some people in the comments only care about options. You only care about what you see, the big play, the big win. But you're not looking at, you have to build your portfolio. This nigga Warren Buffett doesn't just go in there and be like, I'm shooting from half court every day, let's go. No one comes in the game shooting their first shot from half court. You have to build a portfolio, which is the foundation of why we invest. That is how you get paid overnight, residual income. You have to have multiple income streams. You're invested partially in part ownership of these companies. That's going to get you money because the more revenue and sales and better the company does, the more you get as an investor, okay? You invest in the company, you get money back. When you go in and you're just doing things for option trading or whatever you're doing, that's gambling. You can't predict what the market's going to do to a direct dollar and cent unless you are some super professional Wolf of Wall Street type nigga, but everybody's not that. And so it's very important you understand the foundation. We go step by step. We learn about what are dividends? What do we do with them? How do I build my portfolio? What stock should I have to increase my portfolio? what are my profits in each thing, okay? So once I educated myself, focused my mind on that, more money started coming to me. I didn't go into every single day thinking that, oh, every game is going to be a win. No team does that. Even the Warriors or whoever you look up to, whatever, everybody takes an L at some point. So you got to understand that it's all just part of the game, baby. Dust yourself off. You weren't green today. Who the fuck cares? We're going to get paid tomorrow. If not tomorrow, so be it. The day after. After hours about to be lit. You have to look at it with that mentality. I'm going to get you back. Just because you went down a little bit, the universe is like a slingshot, you know? You got to go down a little bit to be propelled for your blessing. You get what I'm talking about? So before you reach ascension, you need to relax, mellow out, be cool, change your mindset. When you change your mindset, and then you begin to educate yourself, because you realize everything's just a growing process. A red day is a day to shop, okay? We get the debit, credit out, we shop. Buy your favorite stocks at a cheaper price. It's like getting a new whatever, sneakers or whatever at a cheaper price. So just don't trip, take a deep breath, and realize we're on this journey together. And another thing I did to attract the money and get more money and get paid was not trip over it. I ain't stress over it. You know how when you think about that girl or that guy, oh man, why she don't like me? Why he don't like me? Oh my goodness, why? Is it my shoes? Is it my hair? Is it my... And then you stop worrying about that. You stop thinking about them. You handle your own business, progress on your own. And then all of a sudden, like clockwork, that person comes around, that job comes around. That's what money does. Money doesn't mean shit. We know what the end goal is, and the end goal is for us to be millionaires financially, but we're really going to be millionaires here, because with the amount we've learned and what we've accrued financially, we'll be able to do more. You understand? So just stop stressing over it. That's another thing that really helped me. I have a better relationship with money. Me and money love each other. I love you, money. We all learning. Let's get money. So if you've gotten any money, or if you've enjoyed the Discord so far, if I've helped you in any way, please leave a comment below. Drop them emojis below. Join the Manifestor gang in the Discord. The description has all the information. All right? So please read it. The Discord link is going to be emailed to you, I believe. It says it right there. Read that before y'all DM me, okay? All right? You hear me? All right? All right, now I love you. It's going to be the best $5 you've ever invested in yourself. We're learning. We're a community. This shit is lit. I love you. Hope you have a fantastic day. That's all I got. Okay? If you got any questions, whatever you want to talk about, hit me up. Until next time, stay awesome, stay lit, and stay healthy. You did.